Hi, I have something to say. I have shopped with SSENSE for years now, and I'm qualified and certified to say that I am an expert when it comes to this website. Black Friday is coming, and I know that they will have another big sale. I am here today to help you get the best discount possible during the sale on the items that you really want. I don't know any magic tricks, but I do know a lot of online shopping tricks that I can share with you. So in this video, I'll break down the SSENSE Black Friday sale in detail for you, and I will also show you how to get further discounts on sale items. Instead of getting in line and beating each other up to get what you want, you can always shop online. Luckily, SSENSE is a big online shopping website. It's a one-stop shopping place for me. Okay, now this sounds like they sponsored or paid me to say this, but I can promise you that I'm still waiting for them to contact me. With that being said, let's fucking hack this upcoming sale. Before we start this video, please click the subscribe button below and follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I will definitely follow you back. Other than that, let's jump into this video. So the first question is, when is their sale? So first, let's talk about their sales. SSENSE has 2 sales per year, one in the summer and one in the winter. We are in November, which means the next sale should be around Black Friday. Now, this year, they did have the summer sale earlier than expected, but we all know it's because of the pandemic, so they had to do something to keep their business afloat. I'm not sure if the Black Friday sale will come early, but just know that they have 2 sales per year. So always save your money, and then by the time they have the sale going, you can start shopping. I also highly recommend you guys to subscribe to their newsletter and follow them on Instagram. The earlier you shop the sale, the better. Items will be sold out really quickly. Trust me, I am an expert. The next question is, what will be on sale? There will be a lot of current season items that will go on sale, but also on top of that, they will have exclusive sale merchandise, sale items that are only available for purchase during their sales. I would recommend you guys to add the regular season items that you really want into your wish list. By the time the sale goes live, go straight to your wish list and check out to see if any of the items you like go on sale. And if they do, hurry up and click that checkout button, because I can promise you that they will go out really quickly. Any further discount? Yes, definitely. I need you guys to pay attention to what I'm about to share. The first day of their sale event, buy all the items that you really want, especially high demand items, and hold on to the ones that you want to buy kind of, but the price is still expensive after discount. Why? Because these items will be further marked down every Monday. So for an example, I really want this marine top. I would definitely get it because you know that top is in season and everyone wants it, and if it's on sale and it's available in your size, get it. But if you are looking at a pair of pants, for an example, you kind of want that pair of pants, but the price is still a little too high, hold on to that. You don't have to buy the pants yet. Check for the price the next Monday, because the price will most likely go down a little bit. For the items that you already bought and the price went down again, don't feel bad. If the size is still available for purchase, you can contact customer service team and ask them for a price adjustment. Their team is super nice, and this is their policy, so they have to follow it. If an item you have recently purchased goes on sale, SSENSE offers a one-time price adjustment under the following conditions. A price adjustment request must be made within 14 days of your order being placed. The same size and style as original item must be in stock at the time of your price adjustment request. So, you can definitely do this to get your money back. I actually did this before I bought a pair of Gucci shoes on the very first day of the sale, and 2 weeks later I went on the sale again and looked at that same pair of shoes, and of course the price was $50 cheaper. I checked for the size and my size was still available on the website, so I sent a quick email to the customer service team and asked them for a price adjustment, and of course they refunded me $50. $50 is not that much, but it's still, you know, a lot for some people, so especially for me, I want to save as much as I can during the sale, so that $50 can go toward another item on the website, honestly. But the important thing is, if you really want a certain item, buy it right away. Don't sleep on it. Don't wait on it. Again, these items sell out really quickly. Now, this is going to be the best part of the video. How to get extra discount on top of their sale. I know some of you would go on Retail Me Not and put in SSENSE and look for like a promo code to apply at checkout. Forget it. Don't do that. They don't have any promo code unless you are someone special. Maybe they send you like a secret promo code to get free expedite shipping or like $15 off or something like that. I have another big trick that I usually do to get more off on the items you buy. No promo code needed. This sounds really scammy, but just listen to me. All you need to do is to sign up with ShopStyle. SSENSE does cashback on your purchase with ShopStyle, and you don't have to download or put any private information into the website like your social security, your driver license number, none of that. You don't need to enter any of that. You only need an email, and they will ask you how they can send you the money back. For me, I linked it with my PayPal account, and because PayPal is super secure, I was not afraid with sharing my PayPal email with ShopStyle. So how do you do this? Instead of shopping with SSENSE by going straight to their website, you go to ShopStyle. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Find SSENSE on their website, click on the brand, and the website will direct you to ssense.com. When you place an order on SSENSE, ShopStyle will log your purchase and give you cash back based on how much money you spend and how much cashback percentage SSENSE is offering. So for an example, back in the summer sale of this year, I don't remember how much, but they offer like 5% or 7% or even 10% cashback. So when I bought some items, I got some money back, and let me tell you, so far I got $191 back from shopping with SSENSE. It's just from 2 purchases that I made with SSENSE. Imagine if I log every single purchase I made with SSENSE, I probably would get more than $191. So guess what? Now you get to shop the sale, but you also get a percentage of your money back. And then when you get that money, you can shop with SSENSE again. And then when you shop with SSENSE, you get a percentage of that money back. So it goes in circle like this, and then you turn into someone like me, and then you're addicted to shopping online, especially with SSENSE, and then the next thing you know, your closet filled up with so many designer and expensive items that you don't really need, and then you go broke and you have a lot of debts, and your credit cards are all maxed out. But anyways, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Just FYI, my link is a referral link. So, just wanted to be clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a like. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comment section below. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!